With summer approaching and warm weather in the forecast, it's easy to plan those fun in the Sundays at our beautiful local beaches. But before you grab your towel, refreshments, and head down to the lake, have you considered how our beaches are kept clean? Hey Penticton, I'm Isabel Contreras here at the city. Every May, Penticton's 6 main beaches undergo regular cleaning. This includes work at Skaha Beach, Okanagan Beach, Okanagan Lake Park Beach, Marina Way Beach, Sudbury Beach, and 3 Mile Beach. Keeping our beaches in great condition throughout the summer also involves regular maintenance, including the familiar sight of workers raking the sand and our mechanized beach cleaner removing debris from the shoreline. But there's a role for you too. Before leaving the beach, scan the ground to ensure you've left nothing behind, place any garbage or recycling in a nearby collection receptacle, and avoid bringing sharp items that may get lost in the sand. To learn more about Penticton's beaches, including things you can do to keep them clean, visit penticton.ca/beaches.
With our beaches tidy and ready for use, the only thing left is to find your spot. Apply the sunscreen and start relaxing. Thanks for watching. Hey young man, pick up that wrapper please.